Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So here, find the average height of this in between 0 and 1. And also find the average height of this in between -1 and 1. So you can think of this as being like a fish tank. This here is your water. So when the water settles, where will it settle? What will be the water level here? Okay, and same over here. You can think of this as being a fish tank. And this is your water. So when the water settles, where will it settle? What will be the height? Okay, so work out the average height of this and work out the average height of this. And bear in mind that the width of this fish tank here is a lot wider than the width here. Okay, and another thing, when you come so to find out the average height of this, you need to average equals 1 over b minus a integral from -1 to 1 of this thing here. So hang on, 1 minus x squared. The thing is, at the moment, our integration skill is very weak. You at the moment cannot we cannot integrate this at the moment. We just don't know how to integrate this at the moment. So so when it comes to integrating this, just use the fact that this is half of a circle, because this is an equation of a circle. Well, just use the fact that this is half of a circle, so it's going to be pi r squared, and well, do whatever you want. Find the water level for this fish tank and this fish tank. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, let's look at this fish tank here. So the average height would be us using this. So so looking at this, we can put it into here. So so the average height would be this, and then now it's just a matter of integrating this. Evaluate this, it will then give you this. Okay, and then now look at the now look at this fish tank here. So the average height will be this, but the thing is, our integration skill is not good. It's not that good. So we cannot evaluate this, because if you think about it, for you to evaluate this, our normal process would be to rewrite this in the form of this to the power of a half, and then our normal routine would be for us to look for something that when we differentiate it, it would give us this. Well, our guess would be 3 over 2, and then so this here would be following our normal routine. This here would be our initial guess. But when we come to differentiate this, when we come to differentiate this, we're going to get 3 over 2, this intact, and then this gets minus by 1, so that would be 1 over 2, and then we've got to times with the derivative of the bubble itself, so that would be negative 2x. You see, we could integrate. We could integrate something like this with the x here, but here we don't have the x. So so here, well, if you try and integrate this, currently our knowledge is not good enough because of this. Because when you differentiate this, you're going to get 2x hanging around. So see, well, we can't really integrate this at the moment. Our knowledge is not good enough. So let's use the fact that this here is half of a circle. So so we know that it will be pi r squared over 2 is half of a circle. So the radius in this case is 1, because we can tell by looking at the equation here. This equation here has a radius of 1 because of this. In a way, it's like this, equals 1 squared, and it has a radius of 1. Okay, so so overall it will be this. Overall, the average height will be this. So what that means is when the water here settles, it will have a height of roughly 0.79. When the water over here settles, it will have a height of roughly 0.72. Okay.